Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the BYROW function. The BYROW function in Excel is a powerful tool that allows you to apply a specific function to each row of a given range or array and return the results in a new array. This can be very helpful for performing row-wise calculations or operations efficiently without using multiple formulas or manual calculations. The BYROW function belongs to the group of dynamic array functions within Excel and applies a lambda function to each row in an array or range and returns an array of the results. The syntax starts by BYROW, open parenthesis, then you define the array and then you define the lambda function. The explanation: array is the array or range to process by row, and lambda is a lambda function to apply to each row. I would say we start directly by an example. So as you can see, we have 3 regions and we have the Q1 sales up to Q4 sales. And now we want to get, for example, the average sales of for North, South and East. And we can use the BYROW function for this. So first of all, we need an array. This is, like I said, the range of cells or array that you want to process. So we are saying equal BYROW, open parenthesis, and now we mark the array that we want to get. So we want to have, for example, the average for each region. So we mark all our sales figures, and then we need to define a lambda function. And lambda function defines the operation to be performed on each row. And the lambda function should take one argument, so one argument representing a row, and return a single value. I'll show you what I mean by that. So first of all, we need to write lambda, open parenthesis again, and now we define a parameter. So we are saying, for example, R for row, but you can write whatever you want to write. And then we are saying, please give me the average for every row. And we can close the parenthesis again. Okay, this shouldn't happen. So we are saying average of R. And if you hit enter, you will get the average for each region without writing the average function for all the rows by itself. So the lambda, in this lambda function, the R represents each row within the range, and the lambda function calculates the average of the values in R. If I would change the average to the sum, for example, I can just hit enter, and now you get the sum for each region within your range that you defined. Or you can say, I don't know, I want to have the median. So you just go there and write median, you hit enter, and then you'll get the median. So you see, the BYROW function is really helpful if you have a lot of rows and you want to do the same kind of calculations like the sum or the median or the average to a lot of rows. Then you can just use the BYROW function. You just have one function, you can adapt it really quick, and you'll get to your numbers in a really fast and easy way. I hope you liked this video. If you did like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up and see you in the next video.